Rockville RWS-10CA is a slim 1,000-watt, 10-inch amplified power car subwoofer enclosure. This utilizes a slim but heavy-duty subwoofer, durable enclosure, and mono black amplifier designed and engineered to work as a complete system, resulting in intense bass response. Featuring a quick connect Molex high-level input with smart turn-on circuitry, this unit easily integrates into any OEM system with minimal wiring. Power, signal, and remote turn-on are all achieved with molded angled terminals for easy access, allowing for simple setup or removal. The Rockville unit comes standard with a remote bass control, adjustable low-pass crossover, variable 12 decibel bass boost, and 150 millivolt to 5 volt gain control. The RWS-10CA features a 2-inch voice coil, a 60-ounce magnet, and is CEA rated at 300 watts. It also features high and low-level inputs for integration with nearly any factory or aftermarket head unit. Slim profile, these loaded enclosures are perfect for car trucks and for behind or under pickup truck seats that hug the back of the cab. This product is the smallest sub box designed by Rockville, but don't let the small size fool you. These are ready to explode with high power, super intense bass, and extraordinary SPL levels. Utilizing the Rockville shallow mount T3 subwoofers and tough Rockville carpeted MDF box enclosure and Rockville class leading monoblock amplifier, these diminutive enclosures are perfect for placement anywhere in any vehicle. So save space in your trunk or hatch with one of these Rockville all-in-one drop-in bass solution and still have plenty of hauling space. Be sure to subscribe and like this video for future updates on our amazing audio lineup. We also offer same-day shipping on orders paid in full by 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Hi, this is Mike from Rockville, here today to introduce you guys to the brand new all-in-one compact RW10CA. It's an all-in-one 10-inch under car seat subwoofer designed to fit in the tightest of places. Check out this next video for more information. This unit has a 10-inch slim profile Rockville subwoofer with a custom molded front grille. It comes equipped with a built-in 800-watt powered amplifier. Amplifiers come with a PWM MOSFET power supply, fully equipped with ground, remote, and power at 12 volts. On the side of each unit, you will find low-level RCA input, high-level speaker-level inputs, adjustable input sensitivity for gains, bass boost variable controls from 0 to 18 dB 45 Hz, low-pass filter 50 to 150 Hz, phase shift of 0 to 180 degrees, and also an advanced auto turn-on feature. This system has a thermal protection unit and a soft delayed remote turn-on. Use the supplied bass knob to have full control of your bass in the driver's seat. This unit comes with removable rubber isolating mounting legs for a secure and easy fit. Rockville's active under-seat sub is ultra slim to fit almost anywhere in your car. Our units measure 2.7 inches high, 12.4 inches long, by only 13.4 inches wide.
Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more videos like this.